guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video, I will be doing a new hairstyle on my hair, well, a first attempt hairstyle on my hair. And if you are familiar with my videos, you know that every time I try something new on my hair, I always share it with you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing step by step. So what I'm going to be doing is a top knot bun on my hair with bangs. And you're probably wondering, okay, how the hell is she going to have bangs in her head? Well, I got this bang piece from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to clip that thing right on top of my head. And then I'm just going to use some braiding jumbo hair from the beauty supply store too that I got, and just wrap that around like a bun. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you're not missing out on any of my new first attempts. So I'm just gonna fast forward the part of me putting all of my hair in one big ponytail, because basically I have to brush all of my hair back to get that top knot bun and basically kind of lower my hair down a little bit so that my hair can be as small enough so that I can be able to twist the jumbo hair around my hair. So fast forward that part. And you guys know that I love to use jam. So jam really slicks my hair down and keeps my curly hair in place. If you're a curly hair girl, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Because with any hairstyle you have, you want your hair to stay in place. So that's basically what I'm doing here. Like I said, I'm just going to fast forward through the part of me brushing my hair because I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to brush their hair. So because my hair is thick and curly, I do have to tie this scrunchie around my hair and wrap it around a couple times, because if I don't, I'm going to have a loose ponytail and we don't want that. Now that my hair is basically in a bun, I'm just going to kind of twist this around so that my bun can be really small so that it won't be noticeable when I do put the braiding hair and wrap it around. So you're just going to see me like wrap this around to make a smaller, tighter bun. My hand hurts so bad. So I went ahead and kind of slicked down my hair with this wrap on my head so that my hair won't be as frizzy and you won't see any flyaways. Okay, so now the moment of truth with my clip-on bang. This is basically $5.99 at the beauty supply store. I'm a little skeptical because I don't like how bangs look on me. I tried that in high school. So basically you just like clip it on, and it just has like the clip-ons in the back. Yeah, so and this is just so you can secure it. Whoa. Whoa. Yes, unsee coming through. I'm gonna save my bangs for later, but I'm just gonna kind of comb it a little bit. You guys see that this has like a little rubber band on there. I'm not gonna take this out. I'm gonna leave this just like that, and I'm gonna place this on my ponytail. So basically place it on my head like a little ponytail holder, and I'm gonna split these two in half. And I'm gonna start with this side first and start twisting it around to create that little top, that little swirly little thing that y'all be seeing. And I'm using this so that it can hold the hair in place when I start twisting it. So as you guys can see, all I'm doing is just basically wrapping the hair and twisting it around the bun to create that top knot look that I'm going for. I mean, some people may call it like the donut look, but basically that's what I'm going for. It's a little bit difficult. I mean, don't get me wrong, this hairstyle is super easy, but I'm trying to get the hang of wrapping it around without anything coming loose. So you guys may not know, but I had to kind of pre-record and skip some stuff because this unraveled a couple times. Basically going to take my scissors and kind of shape this with my face a little bit. So you're going to see me cutting this at like an angle. So I'm almost done with this hairstyle, guys. As you can see, I'm just combing the bang a little bit, making sure that it's forming my face properly. But I am not mad at this clip-on bang. I was a little skeptical at first, but it's doing something here. Okay, so this is the final results of this hairstyle. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm feeling it a little bit. I was a little skeptical at first, but this hairstyle actually came out better than I thought. Leave me a comment below letting me know how you feel. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.